Hello friend, in this quick tutorial I will show you guys how you can fix this issue on Firefox browser for SelectorsHub Pro. Reason like what is happening, like when you install SelectorsHub Pro in Firefox browser and after login you will find that it is not working. So when you will open SelectorsHub Pro, it will open like this. So let me just quickly show you guys. So if you open SelectorsHub Pro here, you will find that after login you will find that this is not working. It is showing something like this. So how can you fix this issue? So to fix this issue, what you have to do, there is a very small setting. By default, actually in Chrome browser and every other browser this setting is already on, but in Firefox they haven't enabled this by default, like access to all the websites. So you will have to turn on that setting, because you all know that to generate the XPath and selectors and to verify XPath and selectors on any page, SelectorsHub need the website DOM access, because without that, like how it will not be, of course, like you know that it will not be able to generate the selectors and XPath. So for that, to make it work, what you have to do, very simple, just right click on SelectorsHub Pro logo on right top corner, and if you don't find, like make sure that you have pin it to toolbar if you don't find. So sometimes what happen, like it might not be pinned to toolbar like this. So what you have to do, you have to pin it to toolbar, make sure that it is pinned to toolbar. Then right click on the logo, click on manage extension, and here you will find that permissions tab. Click on this, and there is this toggle optional permission for added functionality. So you just have to turn on this toggle. And now if you open any website here and right click on inspect, and if you will find open SelectorsHub Pro here, and you will see that it is working like a champ. Now you can inspect, like use its own inspector or anything, it will be working. You would be able to verify any selectors or whatever you want to do, you would be able to do it here, everything. So this is how you can use the SelectorsHub Pro on Firefox browser, and it will be working like a charm. Just a small setting required. You just have to right click on manage extension, and here you have to turn on this toggle. That's all. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates on any kind of problem or upcoming updates related to SelectorsHub products. And please like and share it with your friends, those who are facing this issue. Thank you so much.